Hey, welcome to Products for Sell. Here I'm looking for new products to sell, so if any of these products look interesting, let me know. Here are the top new products that I found today. Our next product is Precise Contour Gauge with Lock. The Precise Contour Gauge can be used for various jobs. It's able to shape various shapes, titles, curves, or uneven corners and sides, making it a must-have tool. This tool is very flexible and can be used in a variety of ways, including tile molding, tile bonding, woodworking projects, carpet cutting, etc. It's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the Precise Contour Gauge with Lock is $41.54, whereas the product cost is only $4.81. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $36.73. Sell this product. Our next product is a keyboard and earphone cleaner. This 5-in-1 cleaning tool kit is a must-have item if you're looking to keep your computer in tip-top condition. It's hard to pick just one aspect that was great about this product because it comes with loads of handy tools. Each component plays a unique role. It is convenient to clean the dust on the headset wireless charging box, dust in the keyway of the keyboard, and fine dust in the entire keyboard. The high-density brush can clean the hard-to-reach unit surfaces, such as the sound hole of the headset and fine dust in the keyboard. It's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the keyboard and earphone cleaner is just $10.99, whereas the product cost is only $4.15. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $6.84. Sell this product. Our next product is the Soft Bear Rug. Soft Bear Rug is an ultimate fun gift for every child this holiday season. This magnificent sheepskin rug is specially designed to give your existing decoration a unique accent to obtain the best visual effect. With its marvelous tactile design, this super soft furry carpet can be enjoyed by everyone. It's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the Soft Bear Rug is $38.55, whereas the product cost is only $9.38. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $29.17. Sell this product. Our next product is winter leather black pants. As the weather turns colder, stock up on our winter leather black pants to help you stay warm and cozy. Made from a blend of polyester and spandex, these comfortable pants have all the fashionable details to keep you looking stylish without sacrificing warmth or comfort. Whether with a pair of boots or heels, you'll feel charming and chic, ready for the fashionable winter days ahead. It's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the winter leather black pants is just $23.99, whereas the product cost is only $2.54. Shipping is $7.47, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.98. Sell this product. Our next product is children's peanut crayons. Our peanut jumbo crayons combine a favorite design with a fun color pack. Not just for crayons, these multicultural crayons are perfect for coloring for toddlers too. Coloring is something every child should enjoy, and our coloring sets are carefully designed to be suitable for toddlers. It's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the children's peanut crayons is $32.90, whereas the product cost is only $9.49. Shipping is $1.82, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $21.59. Sell this product. Thank you for watching. If you got some value from this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell as I release one video every day with my selection of winning products. See you tomorrow for another episode of Products for Sell.